Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I wax my underarms by myself at home and hope that this video helps you. And I use this particular kit because it comes with everything and it's really simple. It comes with the wax, which you pop in the microwave for about a minute and a half. Let it get nice and warm. Make sure it's not too hot so you don't get burned. It comes with the spatula. And then it comes with these strips. They're pretty big in the packaging, so I cut them in half, and then I cut the half in half. Before you get started, you gotta make sure that your underarms are clean. So I'm gonna grab some alcohol along with some cotton rounds and clean my underarms thoroughly before I get started. And also make sure your underarms are dry before you start applying your wax. The kit does come with the nice little booklet of instructions. Make sure you read it. This video is really just to give you the basic. There's a lot of do's and don'ts in the booklet. This video is just really to show you it's really simple and really easy if you have any type of hesitation. I've been doing this for a very long time, so it takes me about 10 minutes from start to finish. Okay, so to start, you dip the spatula into the wax. Make sure it's nice and clean when you pull it out. You apply a thin layer of wax to a small area. You put your strip over that area and you rub it the direction the hair is growing. You hold your skin back and then you pull off as quickly as you can. Make sure you leave a little bit of the strip at the end so you can pull off the strip without the wax getting all over your fingers. Do not apply wax or pull off the strip too often in one particular area. Doing so will cause some redness, some irritation, and even stinging. As well as you might pull your skin off a little bit, so don't go over one area too many times. Don't apply the wax in that area too many times, and definitely don't pull the strip off, too many times in that area. Or more specifically, in one area. For me, I'm very used to this wax. My skin is completely used to it. I don't get any more irritations. I don't get any stinging. It doesn't even hurt at all to do this. Again, always make sure your skin is dry before you start waxing anywhere, because otherwise the wax won't stick. to the hair. Okay, make sure the stick is clean on, the bottom side so it's not dripping anywhere. You apply a thin layer to a small section. And then you apply your strip over that section and you massage it the direction the hair is growing, and then you hold your skin back and pull off as quickly as you can. When I don't have a lot of time and I'm waxing, I'll wax the upper section of my arms, and then I will wax the bottom part. That way it leaves even a smaller section in the center, because the center is usually where most of the hair is congregated. It's thicker there. Also, the hair is growing in various directions in that area. It's really much harder to see the direction of the hair when there's a lot of hair in an area. So when I don't have a lot of time, I wax the upper part and then I wax the bottom part, and then I can go in the middle section and get that done much quicker. Always apply the direction of the hair, apply a thin layer, apply your strip over that area, massage it the direction the hair is growing, you hold your skin back, and then pull off the strip as quickly as possible. The kit does come with the finishing oil, but and the oil is great. I just don't really reach for that very often. I will grab coconut oil or jojoba oil or whatever oil, body oil that you have that's not fragrant, just something really basic. Apply it under your arms when you're done waxing. It helps get rid of the excess wax as well as help softening your skin and moisturize your skin. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please leave me a comment. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Leave me a comment and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.